Hi, I'm Gilbert-Jamison, your Team Huddle guru. And in this segment, we're focusing on the importance of being proactive, not reactive, when facing stress in the workplace. But first, if you didn't get a chance to watch the first video, this entire series is available on my Daily Team Huddle YouTube channel, which I would love for you to subscribe to. And it's also available in the Daily Team Huddle resource guide. So now let's jump right into the topic. You see, not all stress is bad stress. In some instances, stress can motivate people to prepare, perform, and excel. However, common causes of work-related stress include things like miscommunication, limited resources, extended work hours, heavy workloads, tight deadlines, or significant shifts or changes in our job duties and responsibilities. Any of those things sound familiar? And one of the best ways to reduce stress, especially when we're feeling busy, extremely busy, or we're feeling overwhelmed, is to be proactive, not reactive. So the question is, what should we be mindful of or anticipate so we can plan as much as possible? Well, here are my recommendations. To ensure reduced stress levels, we should properly prepare for things like increased business, additional holiday events, staff taking additional time off, and potentially longer wait times to either get things done or to receive what we need to get our job done. Most of all, it's crucial that we all remain vigilant, not letting our guard down, to ensure the safety and security of ourselves and others is never compromised.